Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patan from Gnanmanji Vidyapith, Standard 5th. Today we'll start students unit number 7, worksheet number 12 is there. Adding and subtraction measurement is there. Now in that, here is a one example. A car traveled 2 kilometers on Monday. 2 kilometers Monday को कार है वो travel कर रही है. 6 kilometers on Tuesday. What distance does the car cover in total? टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना कार है वो कवर कर रही है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सो इन दैट स्टेप नंबर 1 here we have to follow Nado method is there. So in that step number 1 is we have to find the read and the identifying the numbers and keywords is there. So in that number is a 2 kilometers and 600 meters is there. Now keywords is total number is there. Step number 2 is ask. What they are asked, what distance does the car cover in total? टोटल डिस्टेंस कार है वो कितना कवर करती है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. देन स्टेप नंबर 3 इज अ ड्रॉ. सो हियर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ टू थिंग्स. मंडे 2 kilometers are there and Tuesday distance is 6 meters is there. Now step number 4 is a operation. Which operation will use? So total distance is equal to distance on Monday plus distance on Tuesday. Now we have to do here additions. What we have to do? Additions. Why we have to do the additions? Because of the here is the total numbers we have to find. So that step number 5 is the solution. Solve and write the answer. So the unit kilometers and meters are different, so we can make the units the same by converting the large unit into a smaller unit. लार्ज यूनिट को हम स्मॉलर यूनिट में हम क्या करेंगे, कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर्स इनटू मीटर्स. वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर्स इनटू मीटर्स यूजिंग द कन्वर्जेशन चार्ट. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. Distance covered on Monday. Distance covered on Monday 2 kilometers. 2 into 1000. 2 into 1000. That is equal to 2000 meters. Now total distance is equal to distance on Monday plus distance on Tuesday. 200 plus 2000 plus 600. 2600 is there. The smallest unit is A. Answer is 2600. Answer is 2600. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you a half a minute. You have to look at this. Okay students, now we'll start next worksheet. Next worksheet is subtract. Worksheet number 3, adding and subtract measurement is there. Solve the following word problems in your notebook. अभी ये जो word problems है वो हमें किस में लिखना है? In our notebook. So Rani buy 3 kg of the potatoes and 500 grams of onion. What is the total weight? What is the total weight of the vegetables Rani buy? रानी ने कितना वेजिटेबल्स, टोटल वेजिटेबल्स फाइंड बाय किया वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सो इन दैट हियर वी हैव टू फॉलो द नाडो मेथड. ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस. हियर वी हैव टू राइट यूनिट नंबर 7, वर्कशीट नंबर 13, वर्कशीट नंबर 13, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. Word problems. A1 sum. We have to find step number 1. Numbers and keywords we have to find. So here we have to write 3 kg, 500 grams. Step number 2. Ask. What they are asked? They are asking like that. What is the total weight of the vegetables Rani buy? Question mark. Now step number 3, draw is there. We have to draw 2 boxes. We have to write 3 kg, 500 grams are there. Step number for operation we have to do addition here. Step number 5, solution. So first of all we have to convert. Now 3 kg and 500 grams both are difference, so we have to convert. Here we have to write, we have to convert 3 kg into grams. 3 kg into grams. 3 kg is equal to 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000. Answer is 3000. Answer is 3000 grams is there. Okay. Then we have to plus total is equal to we have to write here potatoes plus onions is equal to 3000 plus 5000 is equal to 3500. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. You look at step number 1 to 4 and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now I'll show you a solution here. Look at this solution and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. I hope so students your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Okay, next sum is, there is a 5 liter of water in a bucket. A boy pours 615 ml of water into the bucket. What is the total volume of water in the bucket? वाटर बकेट में 500 लीटर वाटर था, ठीक है. देन 615 और ऐड किया गया. सो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, टोटल नंबर्स वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो हियर वी हैव टू डू एडिशन. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, एडिशन. वी हैव टू फॉलो दिस. सो स्टूडेंट्स वी हैव टू फॉलो द स्टेप्स. B1 sum is there. B1 sum. Step number 1, numbers we have to find. So here 5 liters and 316 615 milliliter. 615 milliliter. Step number 2, ask what they are asked. So in that, what is the total cost, total volume of water in the bucket? What is the total volume of water in the bucket? Step number 3, draw. We have to draw two boxes, 5 liter, 615 milliliter. Then step number 4 is a operation. Here we have to do addition operation. Addition is there. Step number 5, solution is there. So we have to convert 5 liter into milliliter. 5 liter into milliliter, 1000 is there. 5 liter is equal to 5 into 1000 liter is equal to 500 liter is there. Then here we have to write water in bucket plus boy pours water is equal to 5000 plus 615. Answer is 5615. This is the answer. Now look at this steps, first 4 steps everyone, and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now I'll show you next steps. Look at this step number 5 and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. And yes, in this worksheet number 13 you have to complete the sum number C, D and E and write it down in your notebook. Now we'll start next worksheet, worksheet number 14. So students, in that multiplication of the measurement is there in the worksheet number 14. Multiplication of measurement. Multiply a measurement by a number. So a football weight 200 grams. What is the total weight of the 15 football? Write the answers in kg. हमें आंसर्स लिखना है kg में, ठीक है. So here we have to follow the steps. In that step number 1, we have to find the numbers. 200 grams and 15 football is there. That is a number. Step number 2, we have to find keywords. We have to find what they are asked. They are asking total weight of the 15 balls. Total weight of the 15 balls. Step number 3, 200 grams, 200, 200 and 200. So 15 balls we have to find still. Step number 4, we have to find the operation. Which operation we have to use? We have to find the total weight of the 15 balls. One football weight 200 grams and we need to find the weight of the 15 balls. So we will multiply the weight of the one football with the number of football. Step number 5 is the solve and answer. So in that total weight 200 grams into 15, 300 grams is there. 200 grams into 15, 300 grams is there. But the question says write the answer in the kg. हमें आंसर से वो किस में लिखना है? kg में लिखना है. So we need to convert grams into kg. हमें grams को kg में convert करना पड़ेगा. Using the conversion chart, we have to 1 gram is equal to 1 kg is equal to divide by 1000. 3000 grams is equal to 3000 divided by 1000. Answer is 3 kg. Answer, the total of the weight of 15 kg is 3 kg. 15 kg is 3 kg. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, so your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 13 and 14 and send it to homework in a WhatsApp group before 3 o'clock. In the worksheet number 14 you have to complete only sum number C, D and E. 3 sums you have to complete it and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, I hope so your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.